Hey everybody, today we're visiting one of the most beautiful wildlife refuges. We're visiting Bombay Hook in Smyrna, Delaware. Stay tuned. We're going to take some scenic drives, we're going to do some bird watching and some hiking. So I just want to share a little bit of basic information. Bombay Hook Refuge is open from sunup to sundown. The refuge charges a small admission fee. I think it was $4. I didn't pay it because they accept the America the Beautiful pass. So if you have your pass, you can use that here. This refuge is really important. It's located on the Atlantic Flyway. It was created in 1937 and it protects one of the largest remaining salt marshes, a tidal salt marsh in the Mid-Atlantic region. The views are just really stunning here. You know, we live in Pennsylvania, so when we come to places like this in Delaware with these salt marshes, it's just such a drastically different view than what we have at home, and it's just so unique and beautiful here. So one point I want to point out about Bombay Hook is that it really is accessible to everyone. So what I mean by that is if you're somebody that doesn't want to hike or you don't really want to get out of your car, you can simply take the auto drive and you go around the pools and there's different spots to pull over and you can certainly take in the sights and see the birds that way. If you want to hike, that's available to you as well. There's a variety of longer and shorter trails. There's a lot of observation towers here that you can climb. One thing that we kind of found amazing is as we drove around and looked at these various pools, you look out and you'll see one species. Like, for example, you see the swans here, but then if you really look closely, there's a bunch of all different species mingling together. There's some ducks, there's some shorebirds, there's some geese out here, and it's really interesting to me that they're not bothered by each other and they're just out there all together. When you visit Bombay Hook, don't forget to look up. I found a lot of the time we were looking out into the pools, but if you look in the trees, a lot of times there's a lot of birds in the trees roosting, like there is in this case. And of course, in addition to birds, you can also see other mammals here, like this little deer that happened to run across the wildlife drive. And then the other cool little surprise was this pack. I guess these are wild turkeys, and they also just kind of came across our path during the wildlife drive. And there was a large group of them. It was really, really cool to see. As always, thank you so much to our viewers. We appreciate everybody that watches our videos, every comment you leave. It means the world to us, and we're so grateful for all of you. Have a great day.